Today we'll talk about how can you create server on your Discord app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app, on your Discord app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click on account. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on display name. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go above server profiles and you come to this list here. You click here on create server. So then you come to this list here. Then here can you create your one here. Just click on it. And here, if you want to choose it here in this or start from the template here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.